No. I didn't say you could have it yet. You over here trying to get it out of my hand. I didn't say you could have it. It smells good, don't it? It smells so good. You trying to sneak and take it out of my hand. Mm. 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 Ow. 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 Don't talk crap to me. I'm just a piece of bacon. Oh. No. Nope. 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 I didn't say you could have it. You licking them lips. You don't even want to look at it, do you? You keep moving your head. Smells good. It's bacon. Mm. She's trying to get this treat. Maggie? Sit. Speak. No, I didn't say jump. I said speak. Jump. Good girl.